Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving right into how to create release plans and timelines on Asana, a crucial strategy for managing your projects effectively. Firstly, we need to set up a new project in Asana. Go to the top right corner of your screen, click on the plus sign, and select Project. Fill in the project name and description. Now, this is where you can outline the main goals and objectives of your project, which will guide the rest of your planning process. Now that we've done that, it's time to create tasks. This is done by clicking on the plus Add Task button. Here, you should list out all the major tasks or milestones associated with your project. The reason we do this is to break down the project into manageable pieces. Next, let's assign these tasks to team members. Simply click on the task and select the assignee. This helps us because it clearly defines who is responsible for what, avoiding confusion later on. After assigning tasks, it's time to add due dates. This is done by clicking on the task and selecting a due date from the calendar. This helps us to create a timeline and ensures that everyone is aware of the deadlines. Let me explain why this matters. Having specific due dates attached to each task helps to keep everyone on track and makes sure that the project progresses smoothly. Finally, we need to visualize our plan. Go to the top of your project and select Timeline from the drop-down menu. Asana will automatically generate a Gantt chart based on your tasks and due dates. This gives a clear, visual representation of your project's timeline, which is great for tracking progress and identifying any potential bottlenecks. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to create release plans and timelines on Asana. Remember, good planning is key to successful project management. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.